Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy cybersecurity with Lookout, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by assessing your organization's cybersecurity needs. Identify the primary threats your organization faces. Determine the types of devices that will require coverage. Install the Lookout application on all relevant devices. Create a Lookout account if you have not already done so. Log into the Lookout dashboard using your credentials. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard's layout and features. Navigate to the Policy Management section. Set up security policies tailored to your organization's requirements. Select the appropriate security settings for different user groups. Ensure to configure device compliance checks. Enable threat detection features within the application. Integrate Lookout with any existing security frameworks your organization uses. Review and customize the reporting settings for alerts. Test the deployment on a small group of devices first. Monitor the performance and effectiveness of the deployment. Gather feedback from users regarding usability and issues. Make any necessary adjustments to policies and settings. Roll out the deployment organization-wide once the test phase is successful. Provide training sessions for employees on using Lookout. Ensure ongoing monitoring for new threats and vulnerabilities. Regularly review and update policies as needed. Conduct periodic assessments to ensure compliance and effectiveness. Stay informed about updates and new features from Lookout. Reassess cybersecurity needs periodically to adapt to changing threats. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.